The sun beats down relentlessly, the air shimmers with heat. This is a land of extremes, a place of scorching days and frigid nights. Here, in the harshest of environments, life finds a way. Amongst the cacti and rocks, a creature stirs. It is a creature of mystery and legend, a creature feared and revered in equal measure. It is the Gila monster, the venomous lizard of the southwest. The Gila monster is a creature of contradictions. It is slow-moving, yet surprisingly fast when it needs to be. It is heavily built, but surprisingly agile, and while its venom is potent, it is a reluctant hunter, preferring to avoid confrontation. This fascinating creature is a testament to the power of adaptation. It has carved out a niche for itself in one of the harshest environments on Earth. In the sections that follow, we will delve deeper into the world of the Gila monster, exploring its habitat, behavior, and the vital role it plays in the delicate balance of the desert ecosystem. The Gila monster is a creature of the American Southwest. Its range extends from southwestern Utah down through Arizona and into the Sonoran Desert of northwestern Mexico. This region, characterized by its arid climate and sparse vegetation, is the Gila monster's ancestral home. Here, amongst the towering saguaro cacti and prickly pear, it thrives. This unforgiving landscape, with its scorching temperatures and limited water sources, might seem inhospitable to many, but the Gila monster is perfectly adapted to this harsh environment. It spends much of its life underground, emerging to hunt and bask in the sun. The Gila monster's preference for rocky slopes and desert washes provides ample opportunities for burrowing. These burrows, often located near the base of trees or shrubs, offer protection from the elements and predators alike. They also provide a stable microclimate, essential for regulating body temperature. The Gila monster's distribution is not uniform throughout its range. It is most abundant in areas with suitable habitat, such as rocky canyons and arroyos. These areas provide the Gila monster with the resources it needs to survive, including prey, shelter, and access to water. The Gila monster is a striking creature. Its stout body can grow up to 22 inches in length, making it the largest lizard species in the United States. Its scales, resembling beads rather than the smooth, overlapping scales of many other lizards, are another distinctive feature. These scales, known as osteoderms, are bony plates that provide the Gila monster with a layer of protection against predators and injury. The Gila monster's coloration is equally remarkable. Bold bands of black and either pink, orange, or yellow adorn its body. This striking pattern, while beautiful to behold, serves a crucial purpose. It acts as a warning to potential predators, signaling the Gila monster's venomous nature. Unlike many venomous creatures, which inject venom through hollow fangs, the Gila monster's venom delivery system is unique. Grooves run along its lower teeth, channeling venom from glands located in the lizard's lower jaw. When the Gila monster bites, these grooves act like wicks, drawing venom into the wound. The Gila monster's powerful legs, ending in sharp claws, are perfectly adapted for digging. These strong limbs also enable the Gila monster to scramble over rocks and other obstacles with surprising agility. Its tail, thick and muscular, serves as a counterbalance, providing stability as it moves. The Gila monster is a carnivore, its diet consisting primarily of small mammals, birds, lizards, and eggs. It is a patient hunter, often lying in wait for its prey to come within striking distance. It relies on its keen sense of smell to locate prey, flicking its forked tongue to sample the air for scent particles. The Gila monster's feeding habits are closely tied to its environment and the availability of prey. It is an opportunistic feeder, taking advantage of whatever food sources are available. During periods of abundance, the Gila monster can consume up to 1/3 of its body weight in a single meal. This ability to gorge itself is crucial for survival in the desert, where food can be scarce. The Gila monster stores excess fat in its tail, providing a reserve of energy during times of lean. This adaptation allows the Gila monster to survive for months without eating, relying on its fat stores to sustain it. The Gila monster's slow metabolism further enhances its ability to survive in harsh conditions. When temperatures soar, it reduces its activity levels, seeking refuge in its burrow to conserve energy. This ability to regulate its metabolic rate allows the Gila monster to withstand extreme temperatures that would prove fatal to many other animals. The Gila monster's venom is a potent cocktail of toxins. While not as immediately deadly to humans as the venom of some snakes, it is still incredibly painful and can cause a range of symptoms including swelling, nausea, vomiting, and difficulty breathing. However, fatalities from Gila monster bites are extremely rare. The venom, primarily used for defense rather than hunting, plays a crucial role in the Gila monster's survival. It deters predators, teaching them a painful lesson they won't soon forget. A single bite, delivering a dose of venom, is often enough to send even the most determined predator running. Interestingly, the Gila monster's venom has shown promise in the field of medicine. Scientists have isolated a compound in the venom known as exenatide that has proven effective in treating type 2 diabetes. Exenatide works by mimicking a hormone found in the human gut that helps regulate blood sugar levels. The discovery of exenatide highlights the importance of biodiversity and the potential medical benefits hidden within the natural world. It serves as a powerful reminder that by protecting nature, we are also protecting ourselves. The cycle of survival. The Gila monster's reproductive cycle is as fascinating as its other adaptations. Mating season occurs in late spring to early summer. Males engage in ritualistic combat, wrestling and biting each other to establish dominance and win the right to mate with a female. Once a female has mated, she will lay a clutch of 2 to 12 eggs in a burrow or other protected location. The eggs incubate for approximately 10 months, with the hatchlings emerging in late summer or early fall. The young Gila monsters are independent from birth, relying on their instincts to survive. Gila monsters are long-lived creatures with an average lifespan of 20 years in the wild. Some individuals have been known to live for over 30 years in captivity. However, reaching adulthood is a challenge for young Gila monsters. They face numerous threats, including predation by birds of prey, snakes, and other carnivores. The Gila monster's slow reproductive rate and the vulnerability of its young make it particularly susceptible to environmental change and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the long-term survival of this unique and fascinating species. Guardians of the Gila monster. The Gila monster, once feared and persecuted, is now recognized as a vital part of the desert ecosystem. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique species and its habitat. These efforts include habitat restoration, captive breeding programs, and public education campaigns. Habitat loss due to human encroachment is a significant threat to the Gila monster. As human populations expand, so too does the demand for land, water, and other resources. This expansion often comes at the expense of wildlife, leading to habitat fragmentation and degradation. Climate change poses another significant threat to the Gila monster. Rising temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns could alter the delicate balance of the desert ecosystem, impacting the availability of prey and water sources. These changes could have cascading effects throughout the food web, with unknown consequences for the Gila monster. Public education plays a vital role in Gila monster conservation. By increasing awareness about this fascinating creature and the threats it faces, we can foster a sense of appreciation and stewardship for the natural world. Education can also help to dispel myths and misconceptions about the Gila monster, reducing human-wildlife conflict. Legends of the Southwest. The Gila monster, with its striking appearance and venomous bite, has long captured the human imagination. Native American cultures of the Southwest hold a deep respect for the Gila monster, incorporating it into their mythology and folklore. The Tohono O'odham people, for example, believe that the Gila monster was one of the first creatures created by Earthmaker. They view the Gila monster as a powerful animal possessing spiritual significance. The Gila monster's venom is believed to have medicinal properties, used in traditional healing ceremonies. In contrast to the reverence shown by Native American cultures, early European settlers often viewed the Gila monster with fear and superstition. Tales of the Gila monster's deadly venom and aggressive nature spread, leading to the persecution of this misunderstood creature. Thankfully, our understanding of the Gila monster has evolved over time. We now recognize that it is not the aggressive monster of myth and legend, but rather a fascinating and important part of the desert ecosystem that deserves our respect and protection. A call for respect. The Gila monster, a creature of resilience and adaptation, stands as a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Its story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting the delicate balance of nature. As we continue to encroach upon the Gila monster's habitat, we must do so responsibly. We must strive to coexist with this fascinating creature, recognizing its intrinsic value and the vital role it plays in the desert ecosystem. Let us remember that the fate of the Gila monster, like that of so many other species, is intertwined with our own. By respecting and protecting the natural world, we are ultimately ensuring our own survival. The Gila monsters.